Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Geo network problem. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also facing issue with your Geo network, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. Because I was also facing same issue, then I had tried these steps. After doing this, my issue was fixed. So you can try this option. In this, you have to just tap on the settings, tap on network and internet, tap on SIM card and mobile network, then select your Geo SIM. If it is in 1 or 2, select that SIM. Scroll down. Here you can see preferred network type. Just tap on this. If in your area, if 5G network is not available, then you have to select 4G, because due to poor 5G network you can face this type of issue. So better is you have to just select 4G option. After doing this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, here you will find access point. Just tap on that. You can see this is the Geo access point. You have to do just tap on this, then tap on three dot in top right side corner, then tap on delete APN, then go back, then tap on access point name again, just tap on three dot, then tap on reset to default. Then your access point will be appeared again. Then go back. Once you have to remove your SIM card and reinsert it again and restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Geo network problem in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.